down. You want to get hard again, but it feels impossible. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. In fact, this is one of the most common questions I hear from men all over the world. The question goes something like this. Doctor, why can I no longer go multiplarins in a night like I used to? And how do I fix it? Here is the truth. What two are experiencing has a name. It is called the sexual refractory period. And while it is completely natural, there are powerful ways to influence it, to shorten it, and to improve how your body recovers. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what is happening inside their body, why things change as you age, and I will give you practical scenes-back strategies to recover faster, last longer, and bring new energy into your sex life. Stay with me until the end because by the time we finish, you will not only understand what is going on, you will also have a clear roadmap to reclaim stamina, confidence, and vitality. Their refractory period is the recovery phase after orgasm, during which it is physiologically impossible or at least very difficult for a man to achieve an erection and another orgasm. In women, this period is often so short that they can experience multiple orgasms back to back. In men, it varies dramatically. When you are in your late teens or early 20s, recovery can be minutes, sometimes even seconds. Your testosterone is high, your blood vessels are flexible, your nervous system is firing on all cylinders. You are built. Be ready again quickly. But as you move into your 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond, things begin to change. Testosterone declines gradually by about 1% per year. Blood vessels begin to ossify, especially if you have high cholesterol, poor diet, smoke, or carry extra weight. Nerve sensitivity can decrease. Recovery systems in general slow down. The result is that the quick turnaround you once enjoyed becomes a much longer wait. For some men, it stretches to half an hour. For others, hours. And for many men past 50, it might only feel possible once per day. But here is the key. A longer recovery does not mean your sex life is over. It simply means your physiology has shifted. And once you understand the mechanics, you can work with it and even improve it. After orgasm, several important changes happen in your body. Prolactin, a hormone linked to sexual satisfaction, spikes sharply. That spike essentially tells your body, we're done for now. Dopamine, the motivation and excitement chemical, drops suddenly. Oxytocin, the bonding hormone, rises, encouraging closeness and cuddling, but suppressing raw sexual desire. Testosterone plays a major role here too. Men with higher testosterone occur faster, while men with lower levels need longer. This is why your recovery can feel so different at different ages. The hormonal roller coaster after ejaculation is what puts you into that refractory phase. The encouraging news is that hormones can be influenced both naturally and with medical support if needed. One of the smartest ways to deal with a long refractory period is not to chase a second round at all, but instead to prolong.